Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE RedMagic 6R, and let me share with you how to enable, how to customize, how to actually use the eye comfort mode on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the display. What's more, a quick disclaimer: first of all, we will customize this mode, and after that I'll show much faster access to it. So let's enter the display, as I said, and here we've got the night light, which is simply the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. So let's tap on it. And before we will be able to customize it, we have to turn it on. So let's tap on the switcher. And as you can see, actually immediately the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber. And it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, if you like to use your device at night, then this mode is totally for you. So let's begin with adjust switcher. So here we can change the intensity of that feature. So by going to the by going to the left, we can make it much cooler, and by going to the right, much warmer. It's almost orangish. Here we've got the option enable regularly, which simply means that after turning it on, we will be able to pick the period. So after tapping on it, we can pick from sunset to sunrise, and with this option your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrise are, or you can custom the period. So simply pick the option, pick the start and the end time. So for example, we can enable the time for example, maybe, I don't know, it can be 2 p.m, tap on OK, and the disable time tomorrow at 6 a.m. And as you can see, the screen immediately turns to those yellowish tones, amber tones, of course, because we are between the start and the end time. But let me turn it off, let me leave it like this. And basically this is the whole customization of this mode, and if you'd like to have much faster access to it, all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar and unroll it fully. And here we have to find the eye comfort mode, which is right here, eye care mode. Currently it is of course turned on, so if you want to turn it off, just tap on this icon and the screen will immediately go back to its normal state. And in order to turn it on, just tap on it again. So basically that's all. This is how to use, how to customize, and how to turn on the eye comfort mode in your ZTE RedMagic 6R. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.